Hello, what's up guys? My name is Mr. Vinny, musician, tech entrepreneur, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel, Bevin Optimum Consult. This channel is dedicated to helping you get the right gadget for the right purpose at the right budget. Before we go on, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, be the first to get notified because you don't want to miss out on the content of this channel. Alright, so today I'm going to share with you some 4 cool laptop tricks that will come in handy. Do you know you can watch YouTube videos at the same time work on another project? Yes, you can. Let me show you how. Go to YouTube, right click again. You see picture in picture. So just click on picture in picture. When you're done, you see that the YouTube video that you're watching would be minimized to the corner of the screen. Now you can be able to work on the project and at the same time be watching your YouTube video. So simple. The advantage of this is that you can resize, you can do anything to the YouTube video on the screen. The YouTube video is pinned to the screen and is always on top of the screen. You can move it around. If it is covering any area of your workspace, you can just move it out. You can move it to any place at all. That this will not distract anything that you're doing. It's always on top of the screen, so it doesn't distract you. You can open anything that you want to open and it's still on top of the screen. So Windows 10 helps you get things done much faster and easier by searching it in the search button. So let's say you want to check out drivers that are outdated to update them. Instead of going to this PC, going to properties, going to device manager where you can see the outdated drivers to update them, you can simply go to the search button and just type device manager. It takes you straight to device manager. There's no need going through all these processes anymore. It makes it very simple, and this is very handy. Anything at all you know, anything at all you want to search, just type it into the search button. Windows 10 has this feature that is very useful but people are unaware of. It's called Magnifier. This Magnifier, as I said earlier, all you need to do is just type Magnifier. You type Magnifier, you click on the Magnifier. What Magnifier does is that it's able to zoom in the screen. Even if you want to zoom some part of the screen, when you press on the plus, it's able to zoom into 200, 300, 400. Another important feature of Magnifier is that it's able to read anything on your screen. At the moment, if you open Word, if you open Notepad, anything at all that you open is able to read for you. Even when you're browsing something on the internet, it will read it for you. I try this. Let's listen.
Mr. Czar, shots intro chorus, echo, Ghana London Jamaica Mr. Czar again verse 1.
So if Magnifier could read everything on your screen, then there should be another app that should write everything you read. So another important and undiscovered or underused inbuilt app or inbuilt feature in Windows 10 is the Dictation App. The Dictation App is very good. Most people are not aware of. The Dictation App is able to dictate everything that you say into a text form. So you're at lectures and then your lectures are lecturing, you don't have the enough time to type everything. This can be used in meeting, using the Notepad as an example. You can use it in the Word, you can use it anywhere. So I'm using the Notepad as an example. So you press the key on the keyboard, the Windows key and H to start initializing. You can see that it's initializing. So Windows key and H. Now everything that I'm saying will now be on the screen. So you can see that everything I'm saying right now is typing. I'm not typing anything, I'm just saying and it's typing it by default. So you can use this. How cool is this? Really cool. You don't need to always be typing. Even at home, when you have an assignment or something to do and you don't have that much time to be doing all the typing and stuff, all you need to do is just read. All you need to do is just say the words. It will do the typing for you, and then you can do the editing later. We have other ways of doing it too. You can actually initiate the on-screen keyboard. The on-screen keyboard also comes with it. You can see where the mouse pointer is right now. It's there. I can equally start using it. I click on it, and anything I'm saying gets typed. When you install apps into Windows 10, a lot of them are left running at the background all the time, and these can drain your battery and negatively impact the performance of your machine. All we need to do is search for background apps. This opens all the background apps that are running. Let this app run in the background. All those apps that are running in the background, they're all on. You can look through all of them, and then you choose the one that needs to run, the one that doesn't need to run. When apps are running at the background, it's more like it's running without your knowledge. It's performing its tasks underground. It's performing its tasks without your knowledge. It's still running. It's still taking memory. It's still taking space in the memory. It's working, but you're not seeing what it's doing. It's working behind the scenes. Most of these apps that are on doesn't really need to work on the background. All you need to do is just put them off. Just look through all of them. The most important ones are your emails and your phone, so you could get notifications. They could be working on the background, so you could get notifications. Apart from that, I think all these ones are not important. You just put them off, and you can see how your machine performs and how your battery drains. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and turn on your post notification button so you get notified anytime we drop a new video. It's your boy VI2NY.